name 3 actors which you wish to direct.
Ranbir Kapoor, obviously.
Okay.
I would love to work with Jaideep Alawat. Third would be a Tabu.
Prem was to make a love story. Who will be the 2 ideal couple?
So Alia Bhatt would be one of my prime choices to sort of play the female part in it. For the men, I like Varun Dhawan.
Is Kusha a very good actor? Is she a director's actor?
She auditioned for it. There was immense amount of dedication. आजकल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज कि काम नहीं है बाहर. एक ये भी रीजन है कि काफी लोगों को अनकन्वेंशनल चीजें करनी है. तो जब तक आदमी वेला रहता है वो लफंगा रहता है, बट इट्स दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप रिक्वायर्ड टू बिकम समथिंग इन फ्यूचर.
देखिए 3 दोस्त एक जर्नी और वही प्यारी जर्नी को जनता तक पहुंचाया है इस बहुत प्यारे डायरेक्टर ने, जिनका नाम भी प्यार से ही रिलेटेड है. इट्स प्रेम. सच अ रोमांटिक नेम और इतना रिलेटेबल कैरेक्टर्स जो आपने दिए हैं आपकी जर्नी में, तो उस पे हम बात करेंगे. पर उससे पहले मैं दिशा जसोरिया आपका फिल्मी ज्ञान पे बहुत बहुत स्वागत करना चाहूँगी. ये जो मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था वो लफंगे के लिए था, पर सबसे पहले तो मैं जानना चाहूँगी कैसे हैं आप?
मैं काफ़ी अच्छा हूँ एंड थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी. आई एम एक्साइटेड टू टॉक अबाउट.
मेरा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, क्या आप व्हेन यू वर इन योर कॉलेज डेज वर यू अ लफंगा?
आई मीन आई गेस सभी लोग लफंगे रहे हैं एक टाइम पे, और लफंगे का डेफिनेशन भी बहुत ही स्क्यूड है कंसिडरिंग हमारे कंटेक्स्ट में. लफंगे इज समथिंग जो लोग लाइफ में कुछ करना चाहते हैं पर अब तक कर नहीं पा रहे हैं, तो सॉर्ट ऑफ वेले बैठे हैं. तो जब तक आदमी वेला रहता है वो लफंगा रहता है, बट इट्स दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप रिक्वायर्ड टू बिकम समथिंग इन फ्यूचर. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट मी, हाँ, मैं जब कॉलेज में था आई वाज इन अ कॉमर्स कॉलेज. आई वाज परसुइंग चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी. तो जब भी वो करते करते मेरा थोड़ा मन उठ गया उससे, और मेरे को फिल्म मेकिंग में जाना था, और मैंने फिर स्ट्रगल करना शुरू किया ट्राइंग टू नेटवर्क एंड मीट पीपल. उस टाइम पे मैं 2-3 साल तक तो प्रॉपर लफंगा था, विदाउट एनी जॉब, लिविंग ऑफ माई पेरेंट्स मनी, एंड थैंकफुली फिगर्ड समथिंग आउट एंड stopped being a lafanga.
But then when you start from scratch, the feeling, the journey, and you have a story to tell. This one thing which I was very excited about, to know your story from very scratch. But talking about लफंगे, from कहाँ से इसकी शुरुआत हुई? What struck your mind that you wish to bring this story out in front of the audience to people?
So we did a show called Uncommon Sense with Saloni for Sony. एक satirical variety comedy था, where every episode, like Movers and Shakers, we used to talk about टॉपिक्स जो यूथ को मैटर करते हैं. और उसमें से एक टॉपिक हमने लिखा था अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट का, बिकॉज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज अ पेंडेमिक राइट नाउ फॉर द यूथ, वेयर 40% के आसपास यूथ इज अनएम्प्लॉयड, एंड दीज आर स्किल्ड लोग जिसके पास डिग्रियां हैं, जो पढ़े लिखे हैं उनको. तो ड्यूरिंग द रिसर्च ऑफ दैट शो वी फिगर्ड कि यार ये वाला एक जो सेट ऑफ ऑडियंस है, या ये वाली जो एक इश्यू है, वो कोई भी यंग अडल्ट शो में बात नहीं हो रही. बिकॉज यंग अडल्ट शो में होती है रोमांस की बातें, पहले प्यार की बातें, या एडिक्शन की बातें, या फिर दोस्ती की बातें. पर कहाँ पर भी ये जो लोग हैं जो बहुत ही एंथुजियास्टिक है, जो बहुत ही स्किल्ड है, और उनको जॉब्स नहीं मिल रही है, उसके रिलेटेड हमें कुछ करना था. एंड दैट इज दैट फर्स्ट थॉट दैट वी गॉट. दिस इज बैक इन 2021.
Okay.
And from that time the writers team, Abhishek, my partner in the company, उसने अपने writers के साथ बैठ के they started jamming and they figured out कि हाँ यार ये टॉपिक है जिसके अंदर enough material है to make a very good drama slash comedy show about the youth. एंड दैट इज द जर्मिनेशन ऑफ द थॉट. और उसके ऊपर फिर हम लोग ने रिसर्च करना शुरू किया. अपने खुद के लाइफ से हम लोग ने इंस्पिरेशंस निकाले, हमने अपने दोस्तों से बातें करी, हम लोग ने वी वेंट टू दिल्ली, वी स्पीक विद पीपल हु आर गिविंग अ लॉट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स, जिसके एग्जाम्स क्लियर हो रहे तो जॉब नहीं लग रही है, या पेपर लीक हो जाते हैं, सो दे हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. वी स्पोक टू पीपल बिकॉज सी देयर इज वन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. आजकल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज कि काम नहीं है बाहर. एक ये भी रीजन है कि काफी लोगों को अनकन्वेंशनल चीजें करनी है. जैसे किसको एक्टर बनना है इन वन ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स इन आवर शो. अब उसके लिए कोई जॉब तो ऐसे है नहीं. यू हैव टू फिगर इट आउट ऑन योर ओन. सो काइपोचे वाज वन ऑफ आवर बिग इंस्पिरेशंस, वेयर वी सॉ the story of youth who are trying to do something, but life has not been fair to them. Also on the other hand, as I mentioned कि unemployment इतना था country के अंदर, while researching for it during Uncommon Sense, we felt this is an area जहाँ पर fictional कुछ बना नहीं है. हम लोगों ने बहुत रवीश की रिपोर्ट्स देखी. रवीश की रिपोर्ट यूज्ड टू टॉक अ लॉट अबाउट द अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ ऑफ द कंट्री. एंड ऑल्सो आई फेल्ट जहाँ पर भी हमने यूथ कंटेंट देखा है, बीट फुकरे और बीट शोज लाइक कैंपस डे जो हमने ही बनाया है,
जी.
दे डिडंट टॉक मच अबाउट द यूथ आफ्टर दे ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम कॉलेज, वेयर
What
द रियल
actually happens?
व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंस. जैसे रंग दे बसंती में बोला गया था कि यार वो कॉलेज के बाद 15,000 डीजे है जो लाइफ नचाता है, तो मुझे लगा कि ना मैं मचा दूंगा, बट नहीं मचा पाया. सो ये जो इमोशन है ऑफ अनश्योरिटी ऑफ व्हाट विल हैपन आफ्टर आई ग्रेजुएट, वो सब जगह पर थी, पर कोई इसके बारे में कुछ बना नहीं रहा था फिक्शनल में. We saw that gap and we decided कि यार इसके अराउंड कुछ बनाते हैं. And the moment we had a good story ready, considering 3 boys, तो keeping that unemployment वाली चीज as a subtext and दोस्ती of the 3 boys as the primary emotion, because that's where people would sort of come in to watch, and then they will get to know about the unemployment angle of things as well. तो हमने ये स्टोरी फिर we pitched it to Amazon Mini. That time it was Mini, then now it's MX. And because we've worked with them in the past as well, they also loved the idea and they were like, हाँ यार ये स्पेस अच्छा है, because young adult स्पेस में काफ़ी कुछ बन चुका है, but इस एंगल से किसी ने बनाया नहीं था. और ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट द वे वी हैव ट्रीटेड द शो, वी हैव ट्राइड टू मेक इट एज अ फिल्म. वी हैव लाइक गुड 2-3 songs in every episode. The episodes are 50 minutes long, despite of it being like a comedy drama, which is a rarity. But people have loved the show. People have finished the show. We've gotten numerous messages. We've gotten great reviews. So it feels like हाँ जो किया वो सही किया, भले जैसे भी किया बट सही किया.
We talking the इस शो का जो सार है वो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट को हाईलाइट करना है. But with unemployment, लोग सोच रहे हैं it's the end, it's the failure. But मुझे लगता है कि even if you're unemployed, that's not the end, or you're not a failure.
Totally.
लोग बहुत negative way में लेते हैं the term failure as well. I guess both success and failure needs to be very neutral. You learn from both the things, but failure teaches you far more. Better things in
Totally,
life. Not just my failure, but from your failure. I guess
Exactly.
we as humans need to learn from the people around us as well. Not just the success, but the failure कि अच्छा इस इंसान ने इस पढ़ाव, ये जिंदगी का जो पढ़ाव था, उस पे क्या किया, क्या पता मेरे जिंदगी में कभी ऐसा पढ़ाव आया तो मुझे पता हो कि ये चीज़ शायद मैं कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ. एंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट पॉजिटिव लाइट में दिखाया गया है, नेगेटिव. व्हाट वाज देयर इन योर माइंड विद द वर्ड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट? व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज फॉर यू? फॉर प्रेम, व्हाट इज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट?
So see, unemployment is a phase. It is not the end thing. And so is with failure. The idea is to be confident. Idea is to keep striving. अगर आपने strive ही नहीं किया तो आप एफर्ट ही नहीं मार रहे हो सक्सेस करने के लिए, फिर तो आपने अब फेलियर को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है. सो फेलियर में रहकर उससे बाहर आना इज समथिंग व्हिच गिव्स यू द मोस्ट कॉन्फिडेंस मोर देन सक्सेस. तो while for me the idea of unemployment is, because see we all are filmmakers. We are not people who are doing a 9 to 5 job के रोज हमारे पास कुछ काम है. कभी काम रहता है जो बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है, कभी नहीं रहता तो नहीं रहता है. बट आइडिया इज दैट टू वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ, टू वर्क ऑन योर क्राफ्ट, कीप राइटिंग, कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लर्निंग, कीप मेकिंग yourself as an artist as much as you can. And if you are doing that, you're still employed, because you're working on yourself. Maybe you're not working for someone, but you're working for yourself, you're working on yourself. So the idea of unemployment is always a phase. It's never the end result, not just for me, but I would say it for anyone for that matter. बात यह है कि गिव अप नहीं मारना है, लगे रहना है, हाथ पैर मारना है, कहाँ ना कहाँ पे तो लाइट जली जाएगी इस वजह से.
सही बात है. But being a director, you've given such beautiful characters, not just Lafange, but the other series as well. As a director, जब आप एक कैरेक्टर डेवलप कर रहे होते हो, सी आपने दिमाग में सोचा है कि अच्छा ये कैरेक्टर है, बट when it comes to life, it's difficult as a director also कि जो मैंने इमेजिन किया है, क्या वो इंसान पर्टिकुलरली वो कैरेक्टर निभा पा रहा है उतनी शिद्दत से. सो वर देयर टाइम्स जब इट कॉन्ट्राडिक्टेड कि यार जो मुझे चाहिए वो मिल नहीं रहा है with the characters of Lafange, Barkha, Gagan, like what it was working with them and developing them as characters?
सो सी कैरेक्टर्स का पहला स्टेज होता है ऑन पेपर, जब वो लिखे जाते हैं. बट मैं जिस तरीके से जिसको पढ़ता हूँ, कोई और जिस तरीके से पढ़ता है, सब लोग अलग तरीके से पढ़ते हैं, अलग पिच और अलग टोन में पढ़ते हैं. तो आई हैड अ वेरी रिगरस सेशन विद द राइटर्स टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द कैरेक्टर इज. एंड अगेन, नॉट क्या वो बोल रहा है वो नहीं, क्या वो फील कर रहा है. देयर हैज टू बी अ फीलिंग बिहाइंड एवरी वर्ड दैट कम्स आउट. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी डिड start doing the casting, and we did like a rigorous amount of casting, more than 3 months, for all the primary leads, despite of them being very good friends of mine. But at the end of the day, not every good actor can play every part. So finding those guys, and उसमें भी दो तरीके की चीज़ें होती है. तुम्हारे दिमाग में तुमने एक तरीके से सोचा है, बट जब भी कोई ऑडिशन में कुछ अलग करता है तो कभी तुम इतने इंस्पायर हो जाते हो कि यार ये वाले एंगल तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था. For example, a Gagan who has beautiful eyes, half of the things he expresses through his eyes rather than words. So when I got Gagan on board, when I started shooting with him couple of days, I saw how expressive he is. So काफ़ी बार हम लोग ने कैमरा एंगल्स ऐसे रखे हुए हैं, काफ़ी बार हम लोग ने स्क्रिप्ट से डायलॉग्स हटा दिए ताकि उसको वर्बोज ना करे. लेट्स कीप इट सटल, लेट्स यूज द टैलेंट ऑफ द एक्टर हु इज डूइंग इट. हाँ, there have been times where things that you thought exactly वैसा नहीं मिलता है, not with Gagan Barkha, but in general, be it like a secondary or a tertiary. But that's where the problem solving quality of a director comes in. कि हाँ, with the limited resource and the limited time I have, how can I make the most of it? Because the audience does not know what I wanted. ठीक है. So I have to make sure that what's the best I can get from that particular actor for that particular scene. So rigorous amount of time given with the writers, understanding the strengths of the actors that we have casted after the casting process. And फिल्म में तो यार मतलब शोज और एनी पीस ऑफ कंटेंट वो तो एडिट टेबल तक बनती है. 4-5 चीज हमने एडिट टेबल पर जाकर फिक्सेस किए हैं, जस्ट टू मेक श्योर दैट वो मूवमेंट लैंड करे, बी इट अ कॉमेडी मूवमेंट और अ ड्रामेटिक मूवमेंट और अ थ्रिलिंग मूवमेंट फॉर दैट मैटर.
और इवन फॉर दैट matters a normal conversation, I guess.
Totally.
Edit is something which is also an
Yes,
integral
yes,
part.
yes.
But also keeping Lafangi aside, if I'm purely talking about a director and an actor, do you sit with your actors?
Oh,
do you,
so much.
Because this is what I feel as an actor. अगर आप अपने डायरेक्टर के साथ एकदम ट्रांसपेरेंसी रख रहे हैं when it comes to communication और building a scene, मतलब ऐसा होता है कि आप अगर बहुत आप 15-20 मिनट भी अच्छे से वो बात कर लो और डिस्कस कर लो कि नहीं आपका क्या विजन है, अच्छा मेरे ये इनपुट्स हैं, बट व्हाट इट इज लाइक, डू यू सिट विद द एक्टर्स? इट्स द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट टू नो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन इन एन एक्टर्स माइंड.
सो सी एज आई सेड, सब लोग जो पढ़ते हैं उसको अलग अपने अपने तरीके से परसीव करते हैं. नाउ द वर्क दैट वी डू, उसमें कुछ भी सही या गलत नहीं है. सबके अलग अलग परसेप्शंस है अबाउट थिंग्स. ठीक है. तो एंड 20 मिनट तो बहुत ही कम है. मैं अपने एक्टर्स के साथ बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करता हूँ, एंड आई बिलीव आई हैव टू बी फ्रेंड्स विद देम, बिकॉज द मोमेंट आई एम फ्रेंड्स विद देम, नॉट जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ डूइंग द प्रोजेक्ट, बट इन जनरल फॉर लाइफ, I need them to be vulnerable. I need them to be sort of transparent in front of me, talk about our insecurities, like so much where I've sat with all the 3 actors, all the 5 actors of Lafangi for that matter, and try to understand what makes them what they are and how different they are from the other people. That is what makes them at the end of the day. So for example, Gagan and Barkha's track was about a live-in relationship. We spoke at length about, I shared my problems when I was in a live-in relationship. Gagan and Barkha shared their experiences in their romantic lives. For that matter, Harsh, who has a track of becoming an actor, who still, despite of being a great creator on social media and a YouTuber, he still strives to be a great actor. So उसकी भी struggles वही वाली है. So bringing our own struggles, our own insecurities, and putting it out there, that is my job. Because at the end of the day, जो लिखा है वो बोलना है, पर उस बोलने के पीछे कितनी शिद्दत है, वो शिद्दत तो बातें करने से ही निकलती है.
बिल्कुल. But also I wish to know this one perspective from you. You've been friends. You must have been, a lot of creator friends as well, who are doing very well in that space. But अभी एक ऐसा चलन आ गया है कुछ 2-3 सालों से, where creators are getting opportunities to act as well. Now there are two sides of the coin. One, there are a section of people who say that why are creators getting into the space of acting? Creators need to create content which is like 30 seconds of whatever is that. And then there's second thing where creators are taking their own stand, saying that who said that we cannot.
Yeah.
So as a director or maybe as somebody who loves art, how do you differentiate this one thing, creators becoming an actor? Also mentioning the fact that there have been times जो which has been brought up, ऐसा कह के that कुछ लोगों को इसीलिए प्रोजेक्ट में लिया जा रहा है because they have a lot of numbers which will track audience, which is good for them, for the movies as well. So what it is for you?
I honestly believe वो एक क्रिएटर हो या एक प्रोड्यूसर हो या एक डायरेक्टर हो फॉर दैट मैटर, ही हैज़ टू बी अ गुड एक्टर. अब वो कोई भी हो सकता है, वो उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. हाँ, द फॉलोअर्स आर द चेरी ऑन द केक, बट दे कैन नेवर बी द केक. एंड आई हैव वर्कड विद लाइक द बिगेस्ट ऑफ द creators who are actors, like Harsh for that matter, who has immense amount of following, or Kusha for that matter, who has great following. I worked with her for Life Hill Gayi.
I was about to ask you this one thing. When Kusha got casted, there were people saying the same thing, that hey, she was creating content, and why is she moving into that space just because she has followers?
No, because she's a good actor. And I've seen her becoming a great actor over the course. Because see, you have to learn how to adapt. ठीक है, क्रिएटर बनने के पहले भी वो क्रिएटर नहीं थी. सिमिलरली जो एक्टर्स है वो एक्टर बनने के लिए भी एक्टर नहीं थे. दे लर्न द क्राफ्ट. ठीक है, एंड दे आर लर्निंग, दे आर मेकिंग देमसेल्व्स बेटर एज एक्टर्स, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे आर getting the part. Even for that matter, there was a lot of auditioning that happened, and Kusha did a great job, and Harsh did a great job. Even Barkha for that matter did a great job in the auditions, and that's why they got casted, not just because they are followers. On the other hand, I feel ये the idea of कि creators actors नहीं बन सकते. कितने सारे actors हैं जो creators बन चुके हैं, कितने सारे एक्टर्स हैं जो बिजनेसमैन बन चुके हैं. तो बिजनेसमैन कैन आल्सो बी लाइक कि नहीं, रेस्टोरेंट्स खोलते हैं यार, रेस्टोरेंट्स वाले बोलते हैं यार, हाउ कैन ही बी अ रेस्टोरेंट ओनर, ही इज एन एक्टर फॉर दैट मैटर. तो इट डजंट मैटर कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो अभी. if you qualify for that particular job, which is an actor's job, and if you're doing justice to that part, doesn't matter where you come from or what background you have when it comes to content
but
creation.
Still, do you guys, when it comes to casting, give preferences to creators? Is it that
No,
space?
no, at least I don't.
For example, there are creators. There's creator, and then there's me, who's like a normal person. So, कभी ऐसा होता है that they get a preference just because they are creators and with numbers?
तो
Because you've worked with some
so
good
first
creators.
level is audition में अच्छी acting करनी है. If both are good actors, then a preference would be given to a creator, because there's something that person brings along with a great acting performance. But अगर actor ही average है, तो फिर तो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता कि वो creator है या नहीं है. For that matter, in Campus Diaries, only one person was a famous person, Harsh. Rest everyone was an actor with very minimal following for that matter. But everyone, 6 of them had an equal part to play. And at no point Harsh gave that vibe that he's a creator with a lot of followers, because he also went through the grueling sessions of auditioning where we auditioned more than 70 people for his part. And he did a great job. So much so that we were sort of inclined towards casting him for Lafange. That also uske liye bhi usko karni padi auditioning. Because again, not every actor being a great actor can play every part.
Yeah, true.
So I wouldn't say कि having a big amount of following is a criteria, but yeah, at the last stage when there is between two people and you have to select, it does help a little.
There's an edge.
हाँ, there's an edge, because and again वो edge भी free में नहीं मिली, उसके लिए भी उन्होंने मेहनत करी है.
Obviously.
To being a creator, having those followings, you need a lot of effort, you need a lot of dedication. So dedication तो वहाँ पर दिखता है. It's just that it's another medium, and you have to try it out. If it works out, it works out.
But as a director point of view, if I have to ask you, is Kusha a very good actor? Is she a director's actor?
She is totally a director's actor.
Yeah.
In fact, Kusha had done a lot of parts before Life Hill Gayi. They were smaller parts, more cameos, and side actors.
Yeah.
But when she auditioned for it, there was immense amount of dedication. And once she was shortlisted, she took acting workshops from the biggest of the biggest people in the industry. And by the time we went for the second round of audition, she was she was better than what the previous audition was. And by the time we started shooting, she was so different from what she auditioned for. And by the end of it, we found a different Kusha. And right now she's doing more acting gigs than creator stuff. Because again, at the end of the day, she learned, she put that effort in. Even for that matter, Harsh or a Barkha, they were great creators, and Barkha has a history of acting in TV
Yes,
and
yes.
whatnot. Also a travel influencer. But she kept all those prerequisite notions aside and she started working on the craft. And she did a great job, and so did Harsh.
You mentioned process. I guess the one who goes through process, you must have been through a process, for becoming a director. But if I take you back to the starting process, how does it start? Like what struck your mind कि यार director बनना है, यार और कुछ नहीं, but I have to be a director.
Honestly, so I was doing a chartered accountancy.
Okay.
ठीक है. So at that time it was a very different life. But I always had that creative keeda inside me where I did a lot of arts and craft. I cleared my elementary, intermediate and stuff. Even in college, thanks to my dad, I got a camera. So I used that camera to make short films for film competitions जो college festivals में होती है. Started a small film club जिसके अंदर हम लोग seniors जो pass out हो रहे हैं उनके लिए farewell videos बनाते थे. So I always had that inclination towards something related to filmmaking. और तभी उस टाइम पे पता नहीं था कि director क्या होता है, DOP क्या होता है, actor पता था obviously because that's the most seen profession in the field. तो पर इतना था कि यार इस फील्ड में कुछ करना है. एंड व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू वॉच थिंग्स आई यूज्ड टू फील लाइक यार ये तो बहुत बढ़िया किया यार, कैसे किया होगा. सो दैट कैसे किया होगा लेड टू मैं करता तो कैसे होता. एंड विद दैट थिंग आई decided to speak to my parents, ask them to give me some time to work on this, and if not doesn't work out, I can always go back to chartered accountancy.
Supportive.
They were very supportive because at one point of time my dad wanted to be a poet, so but he couldn't because he had to do something conventional because of my grandfather. So when I told him this, he was very happy. In fact, he supported me in every way possible because the initial 2-3 years were a big struggle, and there was also a lot of money spent in my education for CA. So there were things, but I always had that support, and I still have them. When Lafange released, they were the biggest marketing people promoting the show in their circle. So sorry, what was the so the initial it was more than outside. The conflict was inside कि क्या मैं कर पाऊंगा क्या नहीं. एक बार वो inner conflict solve हो जाती है तब जाके तुम बाहर कोशिश करते हो, फिर बाहर कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाता है. बट अगर inner conflict भी solve नहीं होती, वो self doubt नहीं जाएगा तो बाहर भी कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा फिर.
I guess you were blessed and fortunate that you had support of your parents. There are people जिनके माता पिता नहीं कर पाते support for various reasons, and I guess again I wish to know your take इस पे. When I heard one line saying, मैं भूल रही हूँ कि किसी तो एक्टर ने बोली थी, and he said it very beautifully. He said that आपके माँ बाप आपके सपनों के खिलाफ नहीं है, बस वो हमको गरीब नहीं देखना चाहते.
100%. So I'm the only child for that matter, ठीक है. And I know the reason that they wanted to give everything that they can to me and make sure that I live my life, I get whatever I wanted to do or to study and उसके लिए. So it's not just from the parents' point of view, but as a son also I always felt like I shouldn't disappoint them because they have done so much for me. Not thinking कि बुढ़ापे में हमारा सहारा होगा, because they both are engineers themselves working at companies and doing great of their lives. So but हाँ, ये वाली थी कि जो lifestyle they have given me, I should be able to make sure that I sustain on that lifestyle. Match up to that, and at no point, the moment you start struggling, थोड़ा self confidence हिल जाता है, वो चीज़ नहीं आनी चाहिए. So they did that, and see at the end of the day वो भी होता है ना कि the confidence you have on yourself comes a lot from the confidence people have on you. And my mom and dad always, because I was good at studies, they always were confident कि हाँ ये कुछ भी करेगा, ये ढंग का तो कर ही लेगा. Now it was on me कि मैं ढंग से ऊपर कैसे बढ़ पाऊँ. And I did have my share of struggle for the initial 2-3 years, but then I managed my way out of it, and
you've been doing some great.
I mean, I'm able to work with great people, and I'm happy where I am, and always striving to do better work in future as well.
Yeah, but if I have to ask you that, name 3 actors which you wish to direct. Like, मतलब ये मौका मिल गया तो you will go all out to bring out the best story, to the audience.
I mean, there are a lot of people for that matter. 3.
Your top 3.
Ranbir Kapoor, obviously, because he's that, I feel, that one man army who has that talent and that sort of presence to hold the audience for 3 hours on himself. Ranbir Kapoor being one. I would love to work with Jaideep Alawat. have been fan of everything that he
His
has done.
transformation.
Even from the very beginning,
Yeah.
like even when he did a small part in Gangs of Wasseypur Part
Ji.
1, he has always been someone who mends into the role beautifully. Third would be a Tabu. Again, a great actor. I mean, I feel I would want to learn more from these people
Yeah.
than to sort of direct them. And obviously, the field we are in, we are not playing tennis के अकेला आदमी कर रहा है. It's a football.
Yeah.
सब एक दूसरे को पास करेंगे तब जाके गोल होगा. So 4 चीजें मैं उनसे सीखना चाहता हूँ, 4 चीजें मैं अपनी बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैं क्या चाहता हूँ. And working with these 3 people would sort of make me as a better filmmaker.
Yeah, and you know, अभी फिलहाल के लिए what people are craving the most is like a love story. So if you were to make, if Prem was to make a love story, who will be the 2 ideal couple to, you know, cast?
It always depends on what the story is, but I'm a big fan of Alia Bhatt. She's a very good actor.
Yeah.
She has that capacity to mend into any character, like be it a Udta Punjab or be it a Highway or be it a Rocky and Rani
Yeah.
for that matter. So Alia Bhatt would be one of my prime choices to sort of play the female
Yeah.
part in it. For the men, I like Varun Dhawan. I've seen them work together in Badrinath Ki
Yes.
Dulhania, and it was a great pairing. It's a good film as well. So Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt, it's been a while that we haven't seen, and a very nice Dharma Yashraj space cake rom-com which has family also involved in it. That'll be a great thing.
That
to
will be, I mean, मैं imagine करके इतना interesting लग रहा है when you're saying. I'm just imagining what will be the story, how will you are going to put your inputs and direct it. But you know, थोड़ा सा end करने से पहले, I always ask you, the one sitting, the actor, director sitting, to give one of the life advice to the audience out there. It could be very general, so that you know people don't give up. Because we are in such industry where giving up is the most easiest option, because there are thousands of people who wish to be in the position you are in. पर ऐसा होता है, मतलब like कभी कभी मैं भी सोचती हूँ कि जो चल रहा है, there are people, thousands of people waiting in the queue to do what am I doing. That gratitude, gratefulness comes in at that point of time. But at the same time, those, you know, a bit of insecurity, a bit of insecurity in a good way, that I need to thrive better so that I am, you know, sustaining this position. And I'm sharing this with you because you've built yourself from scratch. There was nobody to back you. You're backing yourself. Your parents backed you. So one of the most beautiful advice which, you know, you wish to give out to the audience.
See, the times will always be tough. You know, जैसे right now, because of so many mergers happening and everything, the shows, the films that have been made are comparatively less than what they were made 5 years back. But in this process, one advice I would like to give is that obviously not to give up, but in that meantime, work on your craft. If you are a director, watch a lot of things, learn the craft of maybe script writing as well. If you're a writer, learn the craft of directing as well. If you're an actor, learn some other craft, but never stop learning, because you never know what can help you at what point of time. Best example is a Kunal Khemu for that matter. Kunal Khemu was a great actor that we have seen, but then he directed one of the funniest films of last year and won a Best Director Debut Award for Madgaon Express. So I feel the germination of anything, of any success story is the want and the dedication to learn. So do not stop learning, because दुनिया में इतनी सारी चीजें हैं सीखने के लिए. At any point you can never say कि यार ये तो मेरे को सब आता है. तुमको सब कुछ नहीं आता है. You have to always tell yourself that I don't know everything, and that is when you will start wanting to know everything.
I guess then we make a bigger space for learning, a
bigger
bigger
space
room
for learning,
I guess.
And surround yourself with people who also wants to learn,
Yeah.
rather than just crib about कि भाई ये नहीं चल रहा,
वो
ये
नहीं
नहीं
चल
हुआ,
रहा, ये नहीं
because सबके life में problems हैं, nothing, there's no freshness in that. But idea is to surround yourself with people who tackle those problems and give you that motivation, because at the end of the day you need that circle to motivate you. Obviously self motivation is important, but you need that circle who helps you grow in life.
And I guess 1 or 2% to just believe in you.
That's true.
There's
100%.
just nothing but just believe.
Yeah, believe in you, keep pushing you,
Exactly.
giving you confidence, telling you that no matter it's just a phase, हो जाएगा.
It will pass. It will pass. So every time I'm interviewing a director, मेरे को एक अलग perspective मिलता है. काम को लेके, लाइफ को लेके, एंड अगेन देयर इज ऑलवेज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ टेक अवे. You said 2-3 very beautiful thing, and my takeaway from this one thing is where you said that यार कुछ नहीं है ना करने को, खुद पे काम करो.
Yes.
That's the best thing. कई लोग बोलते हैं, but you know you sort of realize कभी कभी कोई इंसान ऐसा बोल देता है and then it hits you, and it has hitted me like नहीं कुछ है नहीं करने को, you work on yourself rather than cribbing about
That's true.
you know something, and और लोगों का आजू बाजू के जो लोग हैं उनका भी माहौल खराब करने से. That's one of the most biggest takeaway I guess any actor, director, writer can reflect on their life. And thank you so much for
Welcome. Thank you for having me.
Just I guess giving those sort of advices, because director का जो point of view होता है ना वो हमेशा अलग हटके रहता है, and I don't know what it is with you guys, with directors, but there's always a hope.
See, I'll tell you, an actor while doing a project, maximum 3-4 महीने इन्वॉल्व रहता है एक प्रोजेक्ट से. अ राइटर 1 साल के लिए इन्वॉल्व होता है, कंसिडरिंग कितना ज़्यादा लिखना है. बट अ डायरेक्टर इज समवन जो स्टार्ट से लेके एंड तक रहता है. सो यू नीड टू कीप योर सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड फॉर 3 years. लफंगे 2022 में शुरू हुआ था, 2025 में रिलीज हो रहा है. सो आई हैड टू बी मोटिवेटेड फॉर दोज 3 years एंड मेकिंग श्योर नॉट जस्ट मोटिवेटेड बाय माई सेल्फ बट द क्रू फॉर दैट मैटर, ऑल्सो कीपिंग दैट लव अलाइव कि हाँ मेरे को आज ही अच्छा लग रहा है, कल भी अच्छा लगना चाहिए, और कल अच्छा लगाने के लिए मुझे क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा. सो द टाइम स्पेंट ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट इज अ लॉट, at least is 3 years. So keeping your mind sharp in the space about what you are making for such a long time requires a lot of working on yourself, and that's where sort of this advice comes from. That
I guess half of the things will solve if you start working on yourself and accepting the way
if you doubt anything, that doubt results into a spiral. Then you keep doubting everything, then you start disliking everything. So idea is to doubting yourself is good, but you need to know where to stop and don't go into a spiral. And the moment you figure that I have figured the solution of this doubt, you move on to the next thing rather than going into the depth of it and keep sort of getting into a spiral.
Can we just keep the camera off and then we just
we can go on and on for this.
and on like from one tangent to other. But thank you so much. अगर होता तो 3-4 घंटे का इंटरव्यू कर लेते, but hopefully you come up with something more interesting so that उस टाइम पे we'll be talking just about the movie, the breaking down of scenes, because this is what I love the most, where we literally sit down and break down some sort of scenes, your point of view.
Yes.
So thank you so much फिल्मी ज्ञान से बात करने के लिए, मेरे को इतनी अच्छी एडवाइस देने के लिए. मिलते रहेंगे, and दिशा जसोरिया and फिल्मी ज्ञान wishes you all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you.